Billy doesn't need the camera going at all. So he can't find the key because he left it down in the bottom of the case down there.
Yeah, you see. I need a light for that. There it is.
It's in there. It's in there with oil being held. Nose sticker. That's what they make nose stickers for. Even that's a little bit small to get in there, but. Yep, I'm coming out with that. Pick. Case is really tight. Can't come out the one way, go the other way. There we go.
Got it.
Go the other drawers. Sorry, Billy hit it. Yeah, it was in the pan. That's where it was. There. We'll drop that. You need a thrust washer. Turn and turn and turn. Okay, I always like to spin this, make sure it's round. Looks good. Thrust washer does not go in that way, it goes in this one.
That thing's dry. I wiped it off.
Okay, we got the thrust washer on there. What time do you want? Is that time you want to run?
Mm-hmm.
Just whatever it is?
Yep.
Just drop
it's not an interference motor.
We just drop it in there, don't worry about it.
Just let it ride.
Yeah, the mark's over here. And there's no matching mark. It's only 180 out or so.
Yeah, Chevy, it'll run. Switch a couple.
Where's the second mark?
Switch a couple wires.
Oh, the second mark's way down there. It's way up there. Okay, now we got a problem. It is not fitting.
You want a gray goop it or gasket cinch?
Gasket cinch. Okay. Line and dot, lined up. We got it. Very important that you make sure all your timing stuff lines up. That dot goes to this. This doesn't rotate anymore, so only that one lines up. Don't use that red one over here. That's not the right one. The gasket looks like it's split evenly. Are we replacing it or are we putting it back on?
No, we're putting it back on.
Okay.
Gasket cinch both sides.
That's pretty much. It will seal just fine with gasket goop on it.
Mm-hmm.
What do we not forget to do every time?
Wipe tools. No oil on the tools.
What else are you not supposed to forget? You haven't said what you're not supposed to forget yet.
Too late to remember.
You gonna remember here pretty soon, or are we just gonna do it without it?
What are we doing? Oh, the spring.
Oh, there it comes. What's the spring for?
Grease.
Keeps the breather in there. We never greased it, that's why it fell out.
What are you putting on right there?
Gasket cinch.
That's in there, no grease.
The spring is in there. See, spring. Don't forget spring. Very important. Not stock either.
What's that for?
Pulls the breather in there. Breather's free to bounce around, so if you don't put the spring on it, it bounces all over the place. It's got a rebreather in it. I should be using that thicker gasket cinch. It's in my race pipe. That's the other can over there.
That smells good too.
You just like huffing everything, don't you? Druggy,
Reminds me of my surfboard factory.
druggy type guy.
No, not anymore.
You're the one that got us addicted with the diesel exhaust fumes, bro.
Yeah. No, man, not me. I just like to go fast and make stuff.
That's
All
what
right.
is going down right here.
If that doesn't leak, it'd be perfect.
And we're making stuff to go fast, so here we go.
I do that all the time on my race bike. Okay, timing work still good?
Looks good to me.
You got the restrictor in the crank?
Take 3. How about some bolts?
I don't have any. Do I need some?
Would you like some?
Maybe. What are you waiting for? Gaskets is drying. Bring the pan over here. Let's go.
Sure doesn't look as right. Oh yeah, we used a couple of the new ones, right?
Long one goes there. Second long one goes there. These are all the same, but I think that one's a little bit longer, so it goes there. These two are the same. That's the short one. Is that a short one?
Mm-hmm.
That's the short one. Squeegee out the gasket boot.
Did the stand get put back?
My stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I use my stand. Where's your stand at?
Somebody steal the bolts?
Where's your stand at? You didn't bring your stand with you yet?
My stand's sitting on 2 wheels.
Yeah. Okay.
Hand me my new rag right there.
That's my rag.
No, the white one.
There's your rag. There was a white one out in the street I saw. Did you grab it?
No.
What we
that
saw yesterday.
I didn't know where he totally came out of his truck.
Oh yeah, that'll be good. For
So I just proved the case because he's got another one here.
What's this tool right here? What's this machine?
Boring bar.
Got it.
4 cylinders. Okay, case is done. You got some goopy stuff coming out the gasket area.
I'm alright with that.
That means we must have enough on there.
That's good. QC check.
Does the motor turn?
Oh my
We
goodness.
didn't check.
This
Did we
is
check to see if the motor rotated?
right before the cam.
We can check it
Yes, we
after.
did.
Look at that. It's oozing out and stuff out of the gasket surface.
Good stuff.
That was a big piece.
Are you gonna see if it turns?
Nah, we don't care. Pull back. There's my bolt.
There's actually 4 of your bolts.
Oh, geez, it rotates. And don't let Billy do it because he likes to bang the case with it. good. He likes to bang stuff hard. Okay. They rotated. My thumb hurt.
Want me to lift it?
Nope. Someone stole my bolt. Hiding it from me. Keeps hiding my hardware.
I'm going to push rods.
Go ahead. People be happy I'm using a stand. What's he doing over here? Lop his ass out. One of my papers probably.
Yeah, probably.
Probably all my phone numbers on it. I'll probably never get my stand or my bolts back. Ah, sure. Okay, there's some cylinder gaskets. See any cylinder gaskets floating around?
Yeah, they're right here. Which one do you need first? You need these guys, right?
Yep.